Hello friends, welcome to Pawan Soft channel. In this video, we'll see how to write the Singleton class and how to break the Singleton class using the clone, right? Clone, and how to resolve it, right? How to break the Singleton using clone and how to resolve. What is the solution for that, right? We'll see. And in previous video, if you see my previous video, I have explained step by step from scratch how to write the Singleton class of type eager initialization or lazy initialization, right? And how to create the Singleton class by using the enum, right? If you didn't watch my previous video, please go and watch. And how to use, what is the use of synchronized keyword, right? And how to use the synchronized keyword at method level and block level, right? So let's see the example how to create the Singleton class, right? First we will see how to create the Singleton class, and we'll see how to break the Singleton class by using clone, right? Then after we'll see how to resolve it, correct? What is the correct solution for that, right? So let's create Singleton class. So let's create the Singleton. First break Singleton using clone, correct? We'll break, right? We'll break the Singleton. We'll destroy or break the Singleton using clone, correct? Let's create the class first, and then if you don't know how to create the Singleton class, please go and watch my previous video. So let's create the Singleton class. So in first step, I have to write the private static Singleton instance, right? Private static variable, correct? In first line, you have to write private static variable, right? And second step, private constructor, right? So create the private constructor, and in third step to write public static method, correct? So write the public static return type, and then instance, okay? And here let's check if instance equal to null, then create the instance, and then return the instance, right? So Singleton class is created successfully. Let's first write the client code, and then we'll see how to break the Singleton class by using clone, right? How to destroy it. Let's write the client code. Okay, and write the main method, and create the instance. Instance 1, dot instance, get instance, right? Let's create the 3 instance. So this is second, this is third. It will print instance 1, this is instance 2, this is instance 3, correct? Let's run this class first and see the result. In every request it returning the same, right? Same object. Let's print the hash code, dot hash code, right? Hash code. Let's run the, right? In every request it returning the same hash code, means same object, right? Now let's see how to break this singleton class by using clone, right? To implement the clone, let's implement the clonable interface first, right? And then override the clone method, okay? And then give this, change this modifier to public, right? Let's see. Let's break this. Let's delete this third one, right? We'll create 2 only, then after we'll create if require more, then we'll create. So we'll create instance 1 dot clone, right? And you have to first typecast, because if you see in clone return type is object, right? By default it is returning the object, right? So object you have to typecast in this class type, right? And then throw the clone not supported exception. If you see this method is throwing clone not supported exception, right? So you have to handle this exception, right? So you can handle this exception by using the try catch or using throat keywords, right? So I'm not using try keyword. Let's see, run the, you see both are returning the if you see this is the second, right? Let's comment for some time and let's see. In this case it will return the same object, right? Returning the same object. And when you will use the clone method, right? Comment this line and let's uncomment this line. So in here what I'm doing, I'm cloning this. So using clone method you can create the duplicate copy of any object, right? So to create a duplicate copy of any object you can use the clone. So if you run now, you can see both object having different hash code, right? So what is the solution for that? So solution is that let's comment this line in in clone method, inside the clone method, let's throw new clone not supported exception, right? So clone not supported exception, we have two types, right? One is default and one is string. So I'll write this second one, and inside this method you can write you cannot create the singleton, you cannot clone singleton class object, right? So if anyone trying to clone this singleton class, it will get the exception, right? So if you see, it will now clone, it will not clone, right? It will throw the clone not supported exception with your message. You cannot clone the singleton class object. If you see here, you cannot clone the singleton class object, right? If anyone trying to clone now, they can't clone, right? So this is the solution for that. But using clone method, using clone, you can break the singleton, and this is the solution for that. Just throw the your custom exception, right? You cannot clone the singleton class object. That's it. So this is the singleton class, and using clone method, first we implement the clonable interface, and then you can override the clone method and you can clone up any existing object, correct? And you can restrict like this. You can restrict to user needs to create the clone object. So this is the solution for that. So that's it. If you really learning something from this video, from my video, and please subscribe my channel. If you didn't watch my previous video, please go and watch. There I have explained step by step from scratch. So please go and watch, and please subscribe, and please share to this video to your friends. That's it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in next video with new topic. Thanks for watching.